Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting math problem of the week involving basic number theory, suitable for beginners. Here is the problem. Let n be a 3-digit positive integer for which dividing 2024 by n result in a remainder of 4. Suppose k is a sum of all such n values. Find the remainder when k is divided by 4. The options are A 0, B1, C2, and D3. Before we uncover the solution, I encourage you to hit the pause button, grab your pen and paper, and give it your best shot. When you're ready, feel free to share your answers in the comments. Then we explore the solution together. Let's get started. Given the condition that 2024 gives a remainder of 4 when divided by n, it implies that 2024 is congruent to 4 modulo n. This means that 2020 is divisible by n. That is, 2020 is congruent to 0 mod n. Decomposing 2020 into its prime factors gives us 2 squared times 5 times 101. Thus, 2020 has 12 factors. Among these, only a few are 3-digit numbers. For a 3-digit n, it must be in the form 2 to the power of a times 5 to the power of b times 101, where ab can be 00, 10, 20, or 01. Consequently, k equals 101 times the sum of 1, 2, 4, 5, which is 101 times 12. Therefore, k is congruent to 0 mod 4, making the correct answer to our problem A, 0. A big thank you to everyone who submitted their responses. Impressively, approximately 80% of you arrived at the correct solution. Thank you all for participating in this math challenge. Stay tuned for more intriguing math problems. This concludes today's lesson. I hope you found this video insightful and are excited for more mathematical adventures. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.